Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add multiple videos in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding multiple videos in Capcut is essential if you want to create a video that involves various clips from different sources, allowing you to edit multiple segments together, make cuts, apply transitions, and create a cohesive final video. Whether you're working on a vlog, tutorial like we would do here in Dplast's YouTube channel, or any multi-clip project, Capcut provides an easy way to add and edit multiple videos within a single project. So once you open the Capcut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you don't, all you have to do is go to the section where it says New Project, click on it to begin your work and start from scratch. But in my case, I'm going to be choosing this project right here. And as you can see, it's kind of empty because I don't have any videos yet. You see there's like a plus button on the side. All you have to do is click that button. You will be forwarded to this section wherein you can add videos, photos, and live photos. All we have to do is, if you want to click your own videos, if you have your own footage, click this tab. But if you don't have, just go to the library wherein these are going to be some of these stock videos from Capcut. And I'm going to type in, for example, a DJ. I'm going to add in here. For example, I'm going to be adding this clip right here. I'm going to click on add. And then I'm going to click on these again. I'm going to the aspect ratio so we can resize all the way here. And that's how you add your multiple videos at once in Capcut. It's kind of really easy. It's straightforward. All I have to do is reposition all the clips together so you can add a one final cohesive video that you can share to your client or to your team members by clicking the export button on top of your screen. You can save it to your as a copy of for yourself. You can send it to your client for feedback, especially for working with multiple or freelancers or team members at the same time. And just click it for now to make sure that you created a cohesive video. It's very easy, really. All right, and that's how you add multiple videos in Capcut. Make sure you have created the final render and edits and transitions, and after that you are good to go. You can also check the exporting options. You can select the 4K and adjust the settings according to your preferences. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.